All right, y'all. We're finna get some of this orange clean right here. Purple power foam. Spread all over your E-revo traction slides, Rustler, Armana, or whatever vehicle that you have that's waterproof. If it ain't waterproof, you got to cover up some of them wiring, electronics. Yep, just spread it all over like that there. Get them rims, tires, motors, A-arms. Just gonna pile it all on there. Flip over through the bottom. Get this thing pretty clean. All right, and get your water hose, squirt it off real good. Just hit it hard. See that there? My wing has been flipping many, 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 many times. So let's go ahead and just squirt it off with water. Wipe it down. Give it a little nice wipe down. And we're gonna spray that up on there like that there. That's that tire shine. McGuire's. Get inside them bearings and whatnot. My shocks were squeaking before this. So let's see if it fixed that squeak. That foam will be off in a minute. That's just tire foam. Like I said, it's for your car tires. It works good for your RC cars. You see it? Nice and shiny. Still got a little rust right there though, but ain't nobody worry about that. Put some WD-40 on that maybe. E-revo 2.0, baby. Nice and clean. Yeah, see that? Don't squeak when you press it down. See? Nice and smooth after that McGuire's. Spray the orange clean on there, spray it with water, and use McGuire's to lubricate it. That's what I use. At least that's what I had available in the garage, so I ain't gonna go out and buy nothing for it. See, it's a little rusty down there from hitting it with the water. I had to take it apart and clean it, but we good for right now. See that little thin piece right there? That's bent. It's that torque. May need a new one, but I ain't gonna do it until it actually break. It is still a work. It is still a work. So the fresh. That lime green, baby blue, dark blue, a little hint of reddish, orange, whatever you want to call it right now. Look, orange is in the picture, but it's red. Slick GoPro mount right there. Show y'all some footage of this GoPro mount. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and show y'all what it do on the streets. This was before I clicked it. All right, y'all, hit like, subscribe. Finna upload more of this E-revo. I'm really liking this toy. It don't need nothing. Tires and everything is good. It handles its own. Only thing that broke on me is tie rod in. I bought another one, put it on, haven't broke since. And I've been doing major flips on concrete, pavement. So go ahead and get y'all one. Hit like, subscribe. All right, bye.